Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to be working towards creating another service inside of our application, and specifically the service that is going to allow us to access media files inside of our application. So with that said, let's get into it and let's see how we can do it. So similar to what we did for our navigation service, I'm going to go to my services folder, and then inside of there, I'm going to create a new file, and this time I'll call it media_service.dart. Once that is done, I'm going to open the file up, and once the file is opened, we can begin the actual building process for our media service. So it's going to be a very simple file. I'm going to firstly import the package, which is going to allow us to pick files, and that's the file picker package that we had previously added to our pubspec.yaml file. And then after that, I'll create a class and call it media service. And then after this, I am going to add the curly brackets. And then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to define the constructor for this class. And it's just going to be an empty constructor, nothing in it. But just as a good practice, I wanted to include it. Once we have this done, the next thing that I'm going to do is that I am going to create a function which will allow us to actually pick images specifically from our device. So to do that, I'll say that this function is going to be a future. And it's going to have a future with the return time of platform file. And then we might or might not pick a file, so I'm going to add a question mark after that. Once this is done, I'm going to name my function. I'll call this pick image from library. And then once this is done, I'm going to define this function to be an asynchronous function, open the function definition up with the curly brackets, and now we're good to go. So now the first thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to call our file picker package to actually allow us to pick files. So to do that, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create a variable which is going to have a type of file picker result, and this is going to be optional as well. And then I'll call it result and equals to, and then I'll do await. Since this is an async function, we can use await. And then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to say file picker dot platform dot, and then I'm going to say pick files. Once this is done, I'm going to, for the type parameter for this function call, define what type of files we can pick. I'll do file type, which is an internal enum provided to us, and I'll do file type dot and then image. With this, I'm going to add a semicolon at the end and do Alt-Shift-F, Command save. Now that we have our result, the next thing that I'm going to do is that I'm going to check if our result is null or not. So I'm going to do if underscore result is not equals to null. So this way we have something for the result. I am going to return the result and then dot files and then the first entry inside of that array, so the 0th index. And if that is not the case, then I'll just return null, which means that we didn't pick anything, and do command save. And that's all we had to do for our media service. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go back to our splash page, and then I'm going to actually register this service. To do that, I'm going to go back to the top, and then where we are importing our service hill, I'll import a service, and I'm called /services/ and then I'm gonna call it media_service.dart. And I realized that I wrongly named the comment, so instead of saying pages, I'm going to say services. And with this, I'll do command save, come down to register services, and here I'm going to do get it .instance .register singleton. Then define the type of our singleton, which will be media service. And then open up the brackets, add the semicolon, and inside of the brackets say media service, and add the brackets and do Alt-Shift-F, Command save. And that's pretty much all we had to do for our media service. Now it's registered. So now that we have our media service registered, I'm going to end this video here, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video. We'll create our next two services. We won't add all of the functionality to our services of what's required, but we'll just add them and add the boilerplate code to them. So at least we know that our services are registered, and as we develop our application, then we'll develop those services as needed. So with that, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.